What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. A beautiful 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Beautiful Tuxedo Black, two-tone red interior, powered by a 350 Trans. Nice car, sitting on Ridler 17-inch wheels all the way around. Great stance, just iconic. Body is straight. Paint is good, but an older paint, but still shines well, which you could see yourself. We're gonna get up and personal so you can see exactly what you're getting. Nice car, just great stance on it. Great ass. Let me get down on an angle, you'll see. All the chrome is in good shape pretty much throughout the whole entire car. It's not brand new, but it's really good. Your front clip chrome is good all the way through. Still has a great shine. Your badging, all your lights work, all your Chevy emblems. Come on, that's iconic. That's the look. All in good shape. Let me get close to the bullets. Hood lines up wonderful, gap's great. All your glass is good. Wipers are working. Look at those Ridlers. Nice. It scoots, it drives well. Front fender's in great shape, no paint flaws, and gaps beautifully to the door. Chrome on the bottom's good, and the door to the quarter, which pretty much is original, is nice. All your vent windows, your glass is going up and down, all your glass is good. A little bit of pitting and stuff in here. Not bad though, but look, all the chrome here, nice. Mirrors, dual mirrors, sport mirror on the other side. All the chrome here, your fin, good shape, great color, all the way through, solid. What beautiful lines. Dual antennas in the back. Come on. Again, gap on the trunk is good. All the way throughout. Rear glass is good. All your chrome is good on the back. I don't see any pitting. All the way through here, all this chrome is good. Beautiful car. Passenger side, same, no paint flaws. Older paint, but good. You know, you don't need to do anything. This is a driver. Drive it, enjoy it. Go to shows. Show it off. Go for ice cream. It's a great investment. Gap is good on the door to the quarter and on the bottom, and all the chrome is good there too. Going to the front fender, to the door, great. There's the key. I'll show you this trunk. Really clean. There's your skirts, both sides. Dual antennas, trunk's in good shape. Pretty much looking original to shape. Yeah, all your weather stripping on the whole entire car is great. Nothing needs to be done there. You got your insulation in the trunk. Keep the bodies quiet when you close them in. It's always important. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Let me show you this engine compartment. Maybe I don't have to. These are good. There we go. Nice. 350. Nicely done. I think it's less than 500 miles on it. You put the original manifolds on there, which is nice. Aluminum radiator, keep you nice and cool. Battery cutoff. All your hoses and belts look good. Everything's good. Suspension's tight. Looks pretty fresh too in here. Nice car. Nice car. I mean, you're always gonna have to find something to do. They're just like us when we get to that age. But this is a good one. This is a good one. Great lines, great stance, iconic. All right, so all your gauges are working. Wipers, horn are working. You got a nice little setup of gauges there. I don't see the clock working. Dash is great. Tight headliner. Dome lights working. Rear tray good. All your seat belts are intact. Take the whole family. Go for a cruise. Good stuff. All your windows go up and down properly. It's got a B&M shifter. Nice. That's fired up. Fires right up. It shows 141 miles on it. Oh yeah, that's what it has. No, I'm just kidding. Alrighty. Nice. Oh, I got it in a little bit. Hang on, let me shift out. Sorry about that, folks. There's some more cars coming in to MGM Classic Cars. Another load. Nice. Runs good. Steering's good. Brakes are good. They're manual, so you got to get used to some of that stuff. But they stop great the way they should. Nice. Goes through the gears good. Straight down the road, hand off the wheel. So far, no funky noises in the suspension. Let's do this hard turn and see what happens. There we go. Okay, no crazy noises. Okay, reverse kicks in great. Wrap it back in drive. There we go. Nice car, nice. Yeehaw! She's a cruiser. Love it. You're gonna enjoy it. A lot of good miles out of this one. A lot of good miles. All right, so if you need some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 score to a 739 score, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, minimum down 10% or more, up to 84 months financing, great rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Usually approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. Great rates, great terms, good stuff. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All my description, pricing, videos, and photos are online, which is good. We ship all over the United States. I'll have that fixed. I don't know what happened. There you go. I'll have it looked at. It's probably just a striker. So if you have any questions on shipping anywhere in the United States, if you have any questions on our cars, please contact me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only, so give me a call or text me and I'll schedule your appointment, 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Tell your friends, tell your family. Thanks for spending a few minutes. Whoever gets this car is going to enjoy it. It's a really nice 57 Chevy. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody.